Hi again. I am still in PubMed. I just did that super simple search of hearing loss in children, and I use the search box that you'll see by default as soon as you click on PubMed. There is an advanced screen which might look a little more familiar to you in terms of how our other databases are set up. And to get to the advanced screen, just click here on advanced. Sometimes it's easy to miss it because it's kind of blending in with all these other things that aren't as meaningful as advanced. So anyway, when I click on the advanced search, this is a really great screen to know about. The advanced search is where you can structure your search in a more strategic way, similar to what we've been doing in other databases. So sticking with the same topic here of hearing loss in children, I can type in my concept here, hearing loss, in the search box below. I can say children or child. And to the left of each concept, and you can see once I started to type in a second term, a third box appeared, which is kind of nice, and you can always add another one on your own if for whatever reason. But when you look to the left of this first term, hearing loss, you'll see there's this all field, which is a drop down. That's really similar to the EBSCO databases or other databases that we have access to in the library. What I really, really, really like about this advanced search is I can limit my term to be in. No, you can't see it because of the way how the video tutorial is capturing all of this, but right now you can see title, and right below that it says title/abstract. So now you can see up here I was able to get to a title/abstract. And that's super, super, super handy. Again, you can't see it, but it's right below the title. And I can click title abstract. And that's a great way to fine tune a simple search in a more specific or advanced way. So now when I do a quick search, I still have this randomized controlled trial limit on. If I turn that limiter off, we'll get more results that way. But you can see up here at the top where I had searched hearing loss, in these hard brackets now it's saying title/abstract because that's the field that I selected when I did my search in the advanced search. And this is actually something that you can edit. If you wanted to be even more specific, you could take out the term, delete the term abstract. We could do that for both and say we want these terms to show up. It's fine if they're in the abstract, whatever, but we can be even more specific and say we really just want it to be in the title. And so if I click search, it'll only include those records where it's in the title. And so there are 1,265. So again, it's a more precise way of searching. Another thing about the advanced search, going back to the advanced search page, that's also really helpful is it's tracking all of the searches that I've been doing. And so for the first video, when I was just doing the search box that's there by default, I had done hearing loss in children and got 25,000. Then we went in and I was showing you some of the filters that you could use. But this search that I did here, this next search for this tutorial, I went into the advanced search screen and selected title/abstract. So again, it's just really helpful to see the history of all of the searches that you've been doing. And you can play around with this as well and be a little more sophisticated. So for example, if we wanted to say, well, all of the articles that have hearing loss in children in the title, I can add that up here by clicking add. And then in the search box below, I could add another concept like cochlear implant. And again, if I wanted to, I could do the limit to title/abstract or title. And now it's combining this search of hearing loss in children, where both are in the title, this number right here. So it's taking 1,265 articles and combining it with however many articles are in the database where cochlear implant is in the title or abstract. So clicking on search, we now get 80 results. And again, if I wanted to, I could take out the term abstract, to make it even more specific. So there's just lots of different ways that you can play around with this. And now I have only 5. And you can always add in title or by putting the slash and typing in abstract. And that will broaden our search results. So there are ways that you can go into your search and play around with these limits that are in these hard brackets to tinker and change your search results. And again, going back to this advanced page here, it's tracking everything that we just did, which is so great because sometimes you do run a search and you want to go back to that search of 5 articles. Well, let's look at those, and you can sort of play around with the advanced search in that way by combining or just going back to searches and getting a sense of what you searched and what you didn't search. Okay, I'm going to make another tutorial on Mesh, and that will be next. Okay, thanks.